Hi guys, it's Rachel with WTI, and I want to show you this 30th anniversary edition from Jurassic Park. So this is the Dilophosaurus attack. It has Dennis Nedry, and it has all the different things. If you remember the scene from Jurassic Park when he is trying to escape the island and he has the test tube, but then he is trying to find the directions to the dock, and you literally have this dock and you have the Dilophosaurus. This is so cool, this Jeep. It's pretty much three-dimensional when you go around it. It was so fun to build. This is my son, so he built this, and he absolutely loves Jeeps, so this is a great collector's edition. All the pieces move, they're flexible, you're able to take him out of the vehicle. He has a change of face as well, so when he's getting attacked, it sprays ink on him, so it actually turns his face. His other face has sweat because he's freaking out at this part too, right? It's raining outside. He's got his raincoat on. This is so cool. I love that it's got the spare tire at the back. All the details on this is so much like the movie that it is such a great collector's edition. I absolutely love this set. He is so happy with it. It was something that was really fun to build, and he loves all the details of it, which is so cool. But that's just my point of view.